977, let's fucking go. We don't have much time. In top level lookup tables, we've added the section diagram solved room data jumps. So all we're doing here is for a data pixel index in room 0, how do we translate that data pixel index to the same local coordinate in room 1, room 2, and room 3, right? So room 0 to the rooms we can jump to, room 1 to the rooms we can jump to, room 2 to the rooms we can jump to, room 3 to the rooms we can jump to, room 4 to the rooms we can jump to, room 5 to the rooms we can jump to, room 6 to the rooms we can jump to, 7 to the rooms we can jump to, 8 to the rooms we can jump to, 9 to the rooms we can jump to, and then this is 10, and this is 11, and this is 12. We ran out of digits, right? And then down here in room jumper tables, we're going to use that in a lookup table. So if we go down here, we have the room index and adjacent room, of which there are 9, converted to the data pixel index. So we see that there's always going to be a 0 in the middle of this 9x9 grid, and here are all the jumping positions for room 0 to all of the adjacent rooms. And we're going to use those constants that we defined earlier in all of these, right? So this r13 is going to go from 0, it's going to go all the way, it's going to go all the way to 12, right? 0 to 12 makes for 13 rooms, right? So we're just taking all of those constants, right? Everywhere where it does not say invalid in here is where we have piped in all of those constants that we've worked on, okay? And then down here in the comments, I've made all of these goddamn diagrams where I meticulously fucking calculated this shit. And in the next video, we're actually gonna have to fix some of these calculations because they're not quite right, but they're like 90% the way there. Okay, so my name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a Bomberman MMO. You've been on the 1-minute code review. A faster code review is here if you want it. Source code is here. And like and subscribe. I'm making this game engine from complete scratch. It's driving me fucking crazy. You need to like and subscribe, especially if you do like Bomberman. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine.